This video tutorial explains how to connect the MOVNORM series monitor to the Canon C70 camera via a wired connection. First, connect one end of the LAN/C control cable to the camera's LAN/C port and the other end to the camera's remote port. Next, perform the connection operation on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, then tap Camera and select Canon link. When the camera control panel appears, the connection is successful. Tap Rec to start or stop camera recording. Tap Iris to adjust the camera's aperture size. Tap Focus to adjust the focus point using the buttons on the monitor. Tap the playback icon to open the camera menu via the monitor, where you can view playback, flip pages, and select options. That concludes the tutorial on how to connect the MOVNORM series monitor to the Canon C70 camera via a wired connection.